probinsya. Dahil sa Google, makikita na natin yung iba't ibang tanawin sa probinsya, sa Sarangani. Not only in Sarangani but all over the Philippines. Yun siguro ang advantage ngayon. Napakalaki niyan for tourism to promote the Philippines.
Through Google, we're able now to showcase to foreigners not having been able to come to the Philippines yet, to be able to see different places in the country and see directly with their own eyes how beautiful this country is. Through Google, we're able to showcase the culture, their heritage, the beautiful smiles of our people, and to showcase to them how wonderful it must be to come visit this country of 7,107 lands. The fact of the matter is, the Filipino is one of the biggest communities in the digital atmosphere. And we have to take advantage of this strength. Before, when we say 100 million Filipinos, we think about overpopulation, but actually it's the strength that we can use, harness, in order to project the beautiful messages that we have about this country. We all have to work together to make sure that everyone on this planet finds out about the beautiful places, the beautiful attractions, and the wonderful nature that is the Filipino people.